Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to create a file in your GitHub repo. As you can see, I got a GitHub repo here. And now if I want to create a file, I need to pick a folder first here. Let's go with this utils folder. Now to create a file inside this folder, I need to click on this button, add file. Then create new file. Let's create a file here, test.js. It will be a JavaScript file. Let's have some dummy JavaScript code here. Hello world. You can preview it by clicking on this preview button. Now to save this file, I need to click on commit changes. Now here you can provide your commit message. You can create a new branch or you can commit to master branch. I'll leave it as it is. Now let's click on commit changes. Now let's scroll a bit. And you can see we got a file test.js here. Let's open this file and you can see we got a file here. So I hope you understood how to create a file in your GitHub repo. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.